Hi guys, I have hope will be fine. I have the discuss of critical analysis the nature and scope of international political. Meaning of international political economy. IP is an academic discipline within political science that analyzes economics and international relations. Introduction. International political economy is the rapidly developing social science that attempts to understand international and global problems using interdisciplinary analysis tools and theoretical perception. IB is a field that thrives on the process that Joseph Scammar called creative destruction. The growing provinces of IPE as a field of study is and a part of result of the continuing breakdown of discipline boundaries between economic and political in particular and among the social science generally. Nature of international political economy. Increasingly, the most pressing and interesting problems are those that can best of understood from a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, or transdisciplinary point of view. If there is an IP project, its objective is to pull down the fences that restrict intellectual inquiry in the social science so that important questions and problems can be examined without reference to discipline borders. Interdisciplinary subjects. As an interdisciplinary subject, international political economy draw over many districts academic schools, most notably political economy, political science, economic sociology, history, and culture study, etc. The growing provinces of IP is one result of the continuing breakdown of the boundaries between economic, political, and other social science disciplines. Increasingly, the most pressing problems that scholars and policymakers confront are those that can best of be understood from a multidisciplinary, interdisciplinary, or transdisciplinary point of view. IB pulls down the fences that restrict inquiry in the social science so that important questions and problems can be examined without reference to disciplinary borders. It is hard to imagine a world without international political economy because the mutual interaction of international political and international economy is today widely appreciated and the subject of much theoretical research and applied policy analysis. The political action of nation states clearly affects internationally trade and monetary flows, which in turn affect the environment in which nation states make political choice and entrepreneur make economic choice. It seems impossible to consider important question of international political or international economic without taking these mutual influence and effects into account. Scope of international political economy. International political economy in 1970 century and 1980th century was centered in the international relations community and took the form of the analysis of what was called in book titles and course categories the political of international economic relation or the political economy of international relations in the period five sets of questions dominated the agent international trade international finance north-south relations MNCS and the problems of the economy are six questions. Globalization was added to the list in the 1990s century. Since the 2000th century, IB has devoted significant attention to global threats and crises, including climate change and worldwide financial instability, international trade, international finance, economy, north-south, multinational corruptions, globis.